This is the East Capitol Street dumpster. East Capitol Street dumpster. Right off of East Capitol Street, I say 4250 through 4256. Alright, same thing like the dumpster down the street. Ain't been dumped in 3 weeks. Okay? Ain't been dumped in 3 weeks. This is the East Capitol Street dumpster. Current condition of our trash situation here at Fort Chaplin. This is our regular conditions. This is the worst I've seen it in a while. After I cleaned it up on the other day, it just got back to the same condition. And whether it was the holiday, it's just a mess up in here. And I think somebody's really dumping something up in here, but who can tell? Because they don't clean it up well enough to even tell what's going on. Current conditions at Fort Chaplin. Saturday we had a guy come through here and they just dumped a whole bunch of stuff into our dumpster. People don't have nowhere to put their trash. Go ahead, just put it in there, baby. Sit it right there. I'm gonna just sit it right there, and I'm gonna grab it and put it in the box. Okay? Okay. Yes, I can. Don't worry about it. Sit it right there. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna make some way for it. Just sit it right there. I got you. No problem, baby. Current condition of the Fort Chaplin Park. Cans. I don't even know what the trash cans look like. But this is building 25 to 29 and 17 to number 19. This is a regular weekly occurrence. We don't have enough dumpsters. We got a recycled dumpster back there that they won't empty because it's got food trash stuff in it, and they won't empty it. There's a feud between the dumpsters, who gonna take it, who ain't gonna take it. So this is what we go through, and we pay our rent on time. But this is our conditions of this management. It's called Franklin Johnston Group. So at the end of the day, we're upset because we are being proactive about the stuff that we see, but we got dumpsters filled to capacity. And this is every weekend. Trash outside every weekend. This is our current condition. Can't even get up in there. The current condition of the Fort Chaplin trash dumpsters has been like this since last week. It's been almost a week in our trash. Came in here and put a hole in the ground. This done tore up the property after we just got all this fixed, and here it is. We got it re-torn up because of the dumpster folks coming in here. They came in here at 5 o'clock in the morning. They got trash piled all up in here. I don't know what the other dumpsters look like, but this building, this dumpster takes care of all of these buildings. So all of these buildings right here, all the way up to the top. We got 2 more buildings like this, so that's 8 buildings that are affected by this dumpster not being picked up in a timely manner. At the end of the day, this is mismanagement. Again, management going to try to say, well, we know this don't make no damn sense. This is nothing. We don't have the infestation. Like this on Saturday. And it's continuous saga that we go through up here at Fort Chaplin. Getting our trash picked up. Just getting off the trash picked up. current condition at Fort Chaplin. This is our regular trash dump at night. This is how horrific it looks. It looks even worse in the daytime. This is our current trash situation here at Fort Chaplin.